Hello, this is Miss Gore. I just wanted to get you started with the class. This is online composition 1. And when you click on the class, you'll go ahead and hit activities. And the first thing you should look at is the Get Started assignment. And so it has a lot of great information that you will need to read over. At the bottom, it also has this online course schedule for spring 2019. This is a Word document. I recommend printing this so that you can always know what's due and when. This week we actually will have a tiny little assignment due on Wednesday. So the key days for this class are Wednesday and Saturday. And we have a little tiny practice submission on due this Wednesday. So that's why I want you to make sure that you get started right away. Once you've read over all of this, please note that I have established a GroupMe app for this class. If you will click this, it'll bring up a little picture of a QR code. You want that small picture, and if you'll scan it, you can join our class. So I recommend that you get the app as well. It's no big deal. I've had one for various reasons for a while, and it's a really great way that we can stay in touch off of Ozarka. So after you read this over, you want to go look at the syllabus. Lots of information here, and this is the contract between me and you. So this is an online class, so you need a working computer and internet, and it needs to be unhindered. It just means that it is not safe to depend on someone else for internet access. So going into this, you understand this, and so technical problems or computer problems are not my problem, and I need you to make sure that you have a working computer with internet. So we have methods of instruction here, and then we have the evaluation procedures. Please read those carefully in the different assignments and what they are worth. Pay close attention to this area regarding writing and academic integrity. Please understand that there is no late work or makeup work allowed in this class. And you need to make sure that you submit everything in the proper assignment spot. This class does require a proctored final, so there's information here about that. So during finals week, which will be the week of May 6th, something like that, May 5th, 6th, 7th, that is finals week, and you will have to make arrangements to go to one of our campuses to take your test. We will talk more about that as the semester progresses, so just be aware that you will have to go to a campus or to another approved place to take your final exam. After you've read over the Getting Started assignment and the syllabus, go to week 1. You're going to start by introducing yourself on the discussion board and doing the practice submission. Just follow the instructions. And then by Saturday we will have a practice submission 2. You will understand that a little bit better by then after practice submission 1. And we have the EMIG annotation and discussion. So EMIG is the last name of the author that concerns this article here that we're going to be looking at. I will talk more about annotations in the next couple of days. I'll make another video just to talk about those. Okay. And also you'll have a syllabus quiz this week. So a lot to do this week. These are not difficult assignments, but we do need to get started. You can go ahead and take note that you will have your first draft due next Wednesday. And if you want to go ahead and look at the instructions for that, that's fine. That will be yet a separate video talking about that. So my goal is to give you one video per week at least on Sunday to get you prepared for the rest of the week and to answer any questions that you may have. Okay, so if you do have any questions that come up, you can either use the GroupMe app or on the discussion board. We do have a Help Me thread that you may click on that. I'll need to open that up. Let's see here. Just open that up right now, or for tomorrow anyway. And so you can, put your question there, and the whole class can benefit from it. If it's a private nature, you can private message me on GroupMe or do course mail. Okay, I hope that you're ready for a great semester. I love this class and the work that we do in this class, and I think that you'll find it helpful. Okay, so I'll talk to you soon. Thanks.